Let's do the pistachio and olive oil cake for today. First things that I'm gonna do is mix the pistachio that I have grounded in a blender, polenta, a plain flour, the baking powder. Mix the 4 ingredients together. In the meantime, you can melt the butter. You mix the butter with the olive oil together.
Zest and juice 1 lemon.
And now we're gonna mix the eggs with the custard sugar. Slowly, you pour the olive oil and the butter to the eggs. You add the zest, and in the end, you add the mixer that we have prepared before with the pistachio and polenta flour. And for the last, you mix the lemon juice and the orange juice to the pistachio mix. And now put the mixer in the pan, and this goes in the oven for 40 minutes. You can decorate the cake with some icing sugar. And this is our final result.